Hello my friends, how are you? It's me again, Wask, and now I will talk to you about my way to work with Maschine Plus. I will get you some tips to the DJ sets and different ways to work with it. Because this is an external machine, and the most important when you make a DJ set, I think that is how you can synchronize your machine, your external machines with your DJ set. At this time, Native Instrument has the solution because with the Traktor 3.5 and our machine, we will work together and all in synchro, and you only have to. Your problem is not the sync in these areas, so you need to more you can express yourself with all the sounds and everything that you can find it in your Maschine Plus. In the past, before when I play with machine, the other machine, no Maschine Plus, I have to open in my laptop the Traktor and the machine, yes, and the software. And for this reason, sometimes it's not. I am not sure that these two very big program will be. It's okay. Other ways to work, like Luciano, use the machine with one laptop and the other laptop for Traktor. But at this moment, I will show you how you can connect everything with the machine. With the machine, or with machine, whatever, just you load something. I will show you how I connect this machine with simple patterns, okay? But the most important is how the way you want to work. So we will go to settings, and in settings we need to know, okay, I will use the MIDI or MIDI off, because when I put MIDI off I will play from here, or I will receive the clock. If I put it on receive, I can use the knob of the play, just because the play I will send it via Traktor. So look that. And if you want to use by receive mode, you can play directly from your Traktor and it works. You know, you can press the play and stop, and if the loops or anything is not working fine or is moving, you can press the sync to synchronize everything, okay? And this is other way. I use like this with this, because with this I can play all my external machine that is in the second part of this workshop tonight. Okay, but this moment I will put it on off, okay? The MIDI input is very important if you will use other machines, because if you will use other controllers, you need to know about the channels, the MIDI channels, and for me I think it's better that you put it on none in MIDI input, because with this way everything that you play via Traktor or whatever don't affect to your machine, okay? The other part is the link. With the link is an very few protocol to synchronize different machines, and you look that is working, and I can open the Ableton or the Traktor, and then okay, I have a different part for this. With the machine I use the MIDI, okay? The hardware, now you know how the patch, the sensitivity and everything that you want. You can use the output, but we will use this machine to my mixer on one channel of my mixer, and I can explain you that only you will send by the output and input if you want to record something on live, or you wanna to use the effects to the input line. This is other way to use. You can create it a group just only effects with the internal effects of the machine, and this is very nice effects too. And so okay, when you want to start with machine, you need to select anything that you will press the group, and then the group you go to the browser, and you can look at other instruments or sounds or groups. Okay, I select for this one of the kind of the drums, Avalon kit. Okay, and just only you have to press load. I will to add everything. You have to select your pads, and with this group I have different sounds to play. You can play with pad mode. I get all in on. Now it's mute. You can select, or if you want to change anything of this sound, you can change it. But at this moment, I will use this. I have this loop. Okay, I like this loop. If you want to, or you think that you have different levels for the different instruments, you go to mixer, and then with the mixer you have to play, and you have all the sounds, and you can control. If you want to select or mute, and so get only one, you can get this and this too. And when you want to make a little pattern, you only go to the pattern, select the pattern, okay, and can go to the steps. I get put it on here, this and this. I can put more, so whatever you want. Okay, with the we will mute again. I will back to the kick. The kick all the time is like this, and I go to the select kick and go to the step mode. If I want to make a double, this one like this, I will choose only one. Okay, if you want to more little the length, you can control it, or longer like this. You can make shifts and go less. This is a little one. Yeah, okay. And this is so easy, you know. Okay, and we have now, we will get, and now we have the drums. I will select now the bass line or the synthesizers. Just I need to put it on mute. This. I have different patterns here. And what is the sound that I have? Is I have in this sound I have 3 effects. So I need to select these effects and go to browser and plugins, or if I want to use these effects, I need to hear these effects. The feedback is too high and I get low. Okay, I have now this pad and the other, and now I can mix the two groups. I put it on, get on mute. I will remove this. And now I will use, I think that is, I have more in here. Now, if I want to play, I need to get in. I will select this and the pattern I have here and the mute with my browser skin, just with the group C. I will get if you want to play with this sound, you can play chords. If you want to look in the step mode, you have the notes here. If you want to get more length from this, I will for the last note. I will now I just only move the mute. One way of the very fast is use the step mode for the percussions. And remember that you have to select the sound that you want. So you can press stop, pad mode to know. And if you want to change this chord, is good, but now we're using. And you can create this, okay, and I will create other group. This is the D. I will put in on browser, and then with the browser I will go to the groups. I will get groups. I don't use this. I will use the 808 or the 909. This is more typical. We will load sounds. Okay, I will replace this kick from the other one, but with other groups, and I will only use in this. I will mute this. I will play. I have this. I will mute the other one. I will check with the step mode. This is only 1 bar. If you want to get 2 bars, you can put double. And now I will check the toms, mid-low toms. So I will use this, okay? I go to step because I am here. I need to select this, okay? I go to step. And now it's so, I want to move to follow. I will press follow and get to the other bar and stop and press the other, okay? And now I will get this. So I will, the mixer, this is the group, but if I press this and get the sound, I get just only the midtown. If I want to put here another effects, like for example, I will add an effect here, the metaverse. This is the difference. It's a little reverb like this with low EQ on the pin. That's it. And that's it. Just, it's so easy to work. And then stop. And if you want to use different sounds in your group, different sounds, you only have to I will unmute everything here and unmute here, and you can select different sounds. This is only effects and synthesizer sounds, and you select the pad that you want and go to browser and go to sounds or instruments. I like all the time simple synthesizers. I will go to the Monarch. Okay, with Monarch you need to look some stuff or like this. This is very nice. Okay, I will load, and this sound will put it on here. American Needle. You have select, and if you want a chord, you can up the octave. You go to setting and MIDI and go to Midi Input, and now we will put it on focus, okay? And select input devices. I will look the control complete A25, and that's it. And all this that I play, you will record or you play on live. So this is one way to play live when you are playing like a DJ. Just now I will sync everything again with, I will receive the mode, I will open my Traktor, I will get from here, I will load a track. So this. This is the way to control via Traktor our Maschine Plus. Look, and now I will show you how we can connect external machines through our Maschine Plus. Okay, and the other way is if you have external hardware and you can control with your machine to send all the send clock, and you go for MIDI, and then you have to put it on send clock, and the MIDI input you have to put it on all in off, and the MIDI devices too in status off, and then output devices you will found boutique and you press on. Start the patterns that you have in your drum machine. I can select. I will select this. Okay, this is the drums. This is snares. The toms. And you are controlling everything, your hardware, via your machine. Just remember, at this moment, I don't use laptop or anything, just only the machine to send my boutique. So now I will create a new group to control my machine, okay? And then I will go to sound, and then sound, I go to, I have different bass, drum synths, drums. I need to go for MIDI external, and then I go to drum external, and then I go to drum external, I go to Roland, I found the Roland, and I have all the sounds of the MIDI and everything, okay? But if I go to the group, I can found MIDI Roland tier 09 or tier 8 kit. I get this and get load, and all the information go to my new group. And with this new group, I will get mute, and I have here, I will upload, I can get the tune from the machine, from the tier, okay? I need to get everything is okay, right? Perfect. What happened because you heard a double drums is because you need to put it on the MIDI sync off, okay? With the MIDI sync off, and you can load in your group all the configurations for the drums, and you can play, and you will hear, and you know that it's not working here, the sequencer of the tier, but because I am using the sequential of the machine, and this is very important because if not will be a double battery, okay? And then I will get mute, you know, I can, because I am sending everything to here. It's not parameter, it's controller, because I need to select the other things. I go to pad mode, I get this. Go back to the select, the pad mode, and when you have the rhythm for this, you can press the step or the pad mode and get the record. If you wanna get this quantize, just you need to put it on shift and quantize. If you wanna look, you use sequential mode. And with the macro, I will press macro here, and I can control the tune of bass drum. I can control the attack and everything that I have here, but I control with the macro here. The snares, I get more snappy. The compressor, or the tone, and the level. The low tone, the decay, and everything that I have here physically, I will have in my machine. The close hats, the high hand claps, the rim, all my synchronized by machine to my tier 09. Get more. So I want to select and get to double. Select the snare here. I get the step. I will get all this. Other way, and this is the other way to play with our machine. And now in my workshop about native instruments, the new tips for your DJ settings, remember we can connect everything like this. From if I want to mix all of this with the Traktor, I will get just only play, but I need to get on my settings, the MIDI receive, I will receive. So remember, if you have your input device putting a status on, you will receive from the beat from the drum machine, and when you press in your laptop the play will be a double, just you need to put it on off, and this when you play from Traktor will be okay. Okay, remember that input device all in off, you don't receive again, so you can put it on here, the boutique, but we don't need to input by MIDI to our machine, and you will put it on off, and the output devices is on because you are sending to MIDI to our tier 09. And with your laptop, now you have here. Okay, back again, and now I will show you the new features of the Traktor 3.5. And the most important for this new version is the connections with the Beatport link. one of the, we are waiting for this. And with Beatport Link, you need to have a count, and you can select everything that you want. At this moment, I am playing. Well, just remember, I will stop the drums. Okay. I have one track. I have the other track. And this is from Beatport. And you can press everything that you want and put in here, and we'll talk this, say downloading to get all the configuration for your track. And so if you want to get different ways to, you can add all of these tracks. I have my tracks here. You can put it on your playlist. You can create a playlist with new Beatport tracks, DNW records. Okay, and then I go to search here. I have here, and I get all these. I will add for my, I can get the color and everything just I want. I get orange, and I go to Beatport DNW tracks. I get to put it on here, and this I have this track and the other one walk around like this. I can move from here to here. It's the same, but the difference is you have to be online. If I don't be online, I will switch off the Wi-Fi here now. Okay, and I want to put it on my search. I want to get other track in this, and it's a network error because to use the Beatport Link you need to be connected on the net. Okay, if you get different plans, you can download 50 or 100 tracks if you want, and then I will show you other tracks that I have here. I will go to Beatport Classic, for example. I want to put in on one of these. I can, just other one I can. I will look Beatport tracks. Which one is the track that you can see you? For example, this. Let me try again. Let me found something that I bought. You need to be all the time online. I will press again the Wi-Fi, and then I will back to this. I will use, it's now downloading, and I can use. And now if I want to buy this, I need to put it on my Beatport. Okay, I have my Beatport link, but I have a connection for all the database of the Beatport, but only you need a stable connection. You need to bring different things like DJ tools or techno minimal deep tech. then you can get this or the top or my playlist. My playlist, you know, and you can, this is the way, and this my playlist, I add all my playlists, but I play this on the website. Look, unknown track, and Shadowman is the other one. I will get Shadowman. This sent me my friend Signorel. And this is the way to work with Traktor via Hyperlink. Okay? And now I will show you how you can connect with the new version and the new upgrade from Traktor. You can connect directly to your CDJ 3000. Okay, now I will show you how you can connect the CDJ 3000 to Traktor. For this, just only I need this, the USB cable, to put it on the CDJ and go to your hub or directly to your laptop. Okay, and that's it. I have here, I will go to source, and then in source I will say, okay, I will use the A, B, C, or D. I will use the A, and that's it. I have all the information here. I can get the zoom. I heard that. I will save this loop. I can get off the loop without. I can use and in my Traktor I do nothing, just only get with my CDJ. If you don't like to see the screen like here, okay, I am a DJ. Just you can go for your laptop, just only with the USB. You can connect the Traktor with only USB, but you need an audio card. And if you work with different mixer with audio card like Sound 96, you don't need the audio external card, because the Sound 96 have internal audio card, and you can work with this. And if other DJ came with his laptop with the sound have two inputs for USB. For this reason, Sound 96 have two audio cards. If you're working with other mixer like this, like the Model 1 mixer, you need audio card. You can use the Audio 6, the Scratch Audio 6, or you can use other kind of audio card, that whatever you want. So the most important is the controller. Because I will change this. You look, and it's the same. It's very simple to use. And now the processor is so faster. I am playing a track from Hyperlink. I can get synchro or without. I can move all the beats, the master tempo, and everything. Every function that I have at this moment EQ. And I have the start, one loop, other loop. And I have all the information here. Just I can get different ways of zoom. And it's amazing. Just you can work with a different ways to configuration and set all your machines. At this moment, I have played my my Maschine Plus, my CDJ. My Roland here, with all the loops and all the controls. Okay, my friends, just it's a pleasure to be with you, and I think that we have more time, all the time for you. So this is the way. Just with Traktor, you have a lot of possibilities to work, to make your ideas. So my tip is think more than you can work, you know, and it's very funny work with a lot of machine, but you need to know when you have to put this sound or the track or the drums or the keyboard or whatever. Just, you know, it's a pleasure again to be with you at the Demc. Remember, tomorrow and now we have DJ sets. I start 1 p.m. Bye bye, man. Ciao, ciao.